Hi, this is Kedar here from UiPath. I'm with Roland here from Airbus.
I'm Roland Unrein-Steiner. I'm working for Airbus since 2007. I'm currently working for Airbus Defence and Space in Toulouse. And there I'm responsible for the RPA operational issues that we have overall Airbus Group.
Excellent. Now, Roland, if I remember correctly, you guys, Airbus, actually started on this RPA journey quite early on, right? What was going through your mind from a point of view of governance? You know, because it was pretty new, this RPA implementation, especially in an industry like yours, which is highly regulated, right? How did you go about setting up a governance model for it?
Well, actually, I would say pretty unconventional. We didn't set up a governance in the beginning at all. We simply started. We made it in our kind of new approach of being agile, trying out new things. And so we simply went for it. Download the software, get in contact with internal customers, and then go for it.
So a very agile approach, you know, kind of learning on the go. I think that's brilliant. I think it really sets you up for success once you get your teams on board as well.
In the first approach, you're absolutely right. But it turns out the longer you do that, the more professional you have to come, and that needs governance, definitely. And this is what we are currently doing in building up a governance, becoming professional.
That's brilliant. Now, tell me something about the business. You know, obviously, it must have been quite a difficult task to convince them of using automation robots within their business process. What was your experience?
Well, actually, that was the easy part.
Oh, really?
Because business was kind of convinced before we stepped in. So they see RPA as making their lives easier, making their processes more streamlined, becoming more profitable. And so it's easy to sell that. I haven't had that before in my career. Usually you need to go there, convince people, say you have the best product ever. And here it was the business who was demanding it. And at the same time, we were able to offer it. So win-win-win situation kind of.
That is very good. And I'm assuming that going forward, you do have some plans in order to kind of scale up. So what advice would you provide to others who are maybe embarking on this journey now? How do they go about setting up maybe their center? How do they go about talking to the business?
Well, my basic principle is never stop the business. A lot of people there are really enthusiastic. You may have seen that in other companies as well. So they really want to go for it. Consequently, never stop the business. And then make sure that we as a center of excellence provide everything that is necessary. Infrastructure, licenses, support. Make sure that they can, from the beginning, work in a professional way.
That is excellent advice. I think it's making sure that you're supporting the business to run the business and giving them all this kind of tool set in order to do it more efficiently and effectively.
Correct.
Roland, thank you very much. Really appreciate your time and sharing this information.
Thank you.